Hello there, this is a small prototype video for a leg mechanism I'm checking out. It's fairly similar to the old tin wind-up robots from the 50s. So it's got a little pair of legs that kind of stomp along. And the plan is I'm going to be printing two of these because I designed and printed this first one all by my onesie. And I'm planning to print two of these, put them side by side, and attach them. That way they kind of move and steer tank style control. And the idea is to eventually build something like this about 6 feet tall, so I could put it on the bottom of something like Marduk, and then I would have technically a walking mech. So, I suppose I'll get to showing you how this little feller walks. I call it a Stampy Flatfoot because it makes a little stamping movement. And it has, well, flat feet. What little feet they are. So, let's get to it. You can see that he kind of does his own thing. He goes wandering off. Going places he shouldn't. There we go, look at him go. Not very good at taking inclines, but, you know, it's a basic walking mechanism, not too sophisticated. So this is Stampy Flatfoot, and there will be links in the description below where you can download the parts and 3D print your own little Stampy Flatfoot and have him causing mischief all over your living room floor. So, if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.